What is up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another vlog. You're catching me on the same day as the 4 Pipes breakfast run, and that was an absolute banger. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll link it down below and you can catch it there. I just want to get started. Like I said, there's this week we want to remove the screens, front and rear. There's some rust spots around it, redo the tint on the front and replace the rear screen because the demister doesn't work. From there, I actually want to take this roof lining out, or see how far I can get with taking the roof lining out. I'll update you guys as we go along, because I don't know what's gonna happen, how long it's gonna take, but I might go live on another platform in the meantime. So yeah, wish me luck. Guys, it's out. I can't believe it. Roof lining is inside the house actually. But we did it. It's done. It's done. I've done that. If you haven't seen yet, like, I'm gonna try and go live on my TikTok while I'm busy doing stuff like this and update you guys as we go along. Might need another phone, might need a camera. We'll figure that. But yeah, the roof lining's out. Now just to pack all the tools and like extra bits and pieces away before it gets too dark and too cold and uncomfortable to work. So yeah, well done. Like, to me, like, that's kind of exciting. I've never done something like this on my own before, and all I had Junaid on my live. He helped a lot, so mad vibes. Now let me show you the problem with this. Look at that, brother, what's that? My fingers as well, that's from the roof lining. Ugh. I hope I'm making a good call by doing this. I'm putting all the screws back into the roof. In the meantime, I put this motor back because, like, legalities. So yeah, I'm putting all the screws back so that I don't lose them. The other parts and stuff, it's big parts. Oh, you can see where there's a fun hole. That's where it's leaking. I went to vote. Okay. This is all like extra Sika flex windscreen adhesive stuff, so this is all gonna come out. But like, I'm just glad that I took the roof lining off because now I can actually see. That's all. That's the only hole. There's not. Look, it's fresh. Like, for a 500,000 kilometer car, that's not bad. That's not bad. Can I know some people in the comments though? What's this for? Like, I'm gonna go look it up now, but like, what's this for? It's part of the loom. Like, there's everything. Excuse me. There's everything else. This is the aerial wire. Oh, here we go. The last I'm gonna see of my baby for a little bit. I don't know if I even showed the rust at the back, but there's an ugly hole there. Yep. So the roof spoiler needs to come off. Do I color match it? Do I not color match it? Nah, I like the black accent. Yeah. Let's sort that out if we go to work. So, new day. Colder. The roof lining's out, sorted. I'm actually excited, guys. We're gonna get the new tint on the front screen, new rear screen. The mister's gonna be working. It's a pretty day out today, to be honest. One for the boys. So, you know, these tires are holding up pretty okay for the constant burnouts. Another tint that we're done, but we're not doing to the public because it's kind of illegal. This problem we're gonna have with the rear screen is probably this, because this is secured on here, maybe. It's not supposed to move, so we'll see how that goes. Stripping nicely now, so we've got some damage there as well. Also, I don't know what from, but probably just went there. All that's gonna come out. Sort of, probably just into the whole roof, to be honest. Hier gaat ons man. Making sure that the dash stays nice. Keep my screwdriver in there, keep the wire away from the dash. Out. Woo, fresh. Imagine your windscreen was this clear. Come and see where the actual issues are. So here's some rust building up here now. This is the actual problem. There's a hole here. Come on, focusing. Tell them quickly why I'm gonna need new rubbers, man. Just. Yeah. Look how shit this man tinted here. Yeah, see. Anyways, gonna need a new sticker on the back when the new screen comes. So, beetje clip out, nah? What do you reckon?
Tape for that.
So, you'll see that this is a Valtrio screen. Now, yes, mine had a crack on it, but if you're gonna do the Solar X tint on any of your screens, or if you want the Solar X tint on your screen, you're gonna need to change the screen as well. And the reason is for the legalities and the transparency of the screen itself. So, if you look at those screens, there's already like a green haze. If you put 5 of them next to each other, you can't see through them anymore. With these, it takes about 10 to 20 of them before you can actually not see through them anymore. So when you put this on, you still have the legal limit of 70% plus visibility. Hence us doing a completely new screen at the same time. It's such a weird feeling. There's nothing here. I think when the front and rear screens are out, before it goes next to the panel beaters, we're gonna have to take it up the road just to experience open car. I'm busy with a client car now, so I'm gonna carry on here. Just get the back seat out because the speaker board must come out so that the rear screen can come out. Please ignore that. That's just a weekend shenanigans. A little bit of struggle is out. So much shit to get all that out and get the parcel tray out. I'm redoing everything. It's time to make it better. Do it again. See how cut the tint is. Oh my gosh. The sub, everything is out. I think I'm gonna clean this as well, so probably gonna take it out and take it home. This is dirty, but that also doubles down as something for me to lay on to take the back bumper off, so that we can just have it ready for them. The problem with using this boot mat as something to lay on is that it's actually pretty comfortable, so I might just stay here. I have to get some of these at home because like the fact that I don't have to use a flat, I can make it work so well. I need a set of that at home. Bumper ease should be able to come off now. I think that's all. What else is holding it? Oh, these damages are actually crazy. Probably gonna need a new stiffener. Fun times. Now to cut the glass out.
Hey, y'all get some more drinks going on. I sound a whole lot better.
She's out. She's out. Let's go check the dust in the corners. Yo, it's actually a little bad, eh? I must have new speakers. Front the tree here. It's to make up for the carbon dioxide that the car creates. It's for the CO2 emissions. It's to with Elias, the salesman here at Veltrail, but he also knows what he's selling, as you can see. He knows what he's talking about, he knows what he's doing. Oh, look at the rust, my bro. So today we've actually got Seth alongside with us. How cool is Andy? Andy said that I can just talk on my car. That's pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is I'll update you guys when we're done, but I'm gonna clean up all this, just gonna prep it for the body shop. I'm gonna take this out as well and cut the wires here, because we're gonna redo everything and just start prepping around the screens, front and back. Probably make some ASMR videos, go check that out on my other socials. We're back on the DJI there, boys. Yes, sir. So we have the rubbers out currently. This too, I really hope that they can fix this as well, make it nice again. But we're gonna clean up under here now as well. I'm gonna leave the steer wheel in because this I'm also gonna change completely. I think just to freshen it up and make it like, give it another 25 years, you know? One more thing I want to address is here on the windscreen washer. What was the only rust necessarily in the engine bay, but I'm going to take this off. I actually wanted to sort this out for me as well. Probably going to clean in there. Okay, it's actually a little bad. Oh, not too bad. It's not true considering that the car is 23 years. So yeah, they must sort that out hopefully. I'm just going to take the windscreen washer motor off, or the wiper motor off, and then I know that this is like a section that they can tackle as well. Okay, so Seth brought in his muscle man strength. Got the windscreen washer motor off. Now to clean up there so we can have prep essentially. Seth, yo, my bro, well done. So we found some hidden damage in here and some leaks as well. It's literally a small hatchy over there, but that's fine. I'm gonna get them to sort that out. I think what we should do now, Seth, is probably sand down, just make it flat for the most part. Sand down around there and the rear screen as well. Then we know we sorted. Explain to them what's happening there, Seth.
We are going to take the bonnet off, not the bumper.
Not the bumper this time. We're going to take the bonnet off. Yo, it actually needs, I need to figure out how I'm gonna seal this up because the water keeps getting in here and it's obviously causing issues and put these small rust spots. So with the hinges off now we can see nicely. Ooh, the fuck is under the dash? That's just dirt, that's fine, that's fine. That's moisture, that will clean out now. But this, ooh. Look at Seth bending over like a good girl. So while he's busy over there, I'm gonna carry on with the BM's front bumper. We're just gonna flat and polish the front bumper because it was resprayed not too long ago. So to sort that out, make it look fresh. There's a quick before, after one side. This is before. Let's sand it down, prepping. Then we're gonna polish afterwards. Here we go, front bumpers come together. I just need to do that and that corner over there. And over in the spray booth with all the other cars. I think with that being shown and everything, we're gonna end off this video there. That's part one. The car is now off the spray and ready to get sorted. All the rust spots, so should be good. Also, Shay came to visit.